This is like a horror movie. Oh no, what have I done? Toni and Nikki are a fun Italian mother-daughter duo. They love to entertain, they love to cook, but they don't love their dining room. Now they have family coming over from Italy, so I'm gonna help them make that dining room bellissimo.
Well, this is our dining room.
Wow, okay.
A little dated.
So what is it, why do you want to renovate it now? What's happening?
Our Italian cousins are visiting us.
They are both chefs. They own a restaurant. They own a cooking school. And I'm a little nervous about cooking for them. So I thought at least if the dining room was updated and looking great, it would take the focus off the cooking.
Okay. You know, when I look at this space, I immediately think of somebody who could help me with this, a little bit of backup. I'm gonna take some pictures and send them to her. She's gonna laugh because it looks just like her parents' house, and that would be my wife. And she's also Italian. In the meantime, I think it's safe to say we can start packing a few things up, clearing things out, and then we'll go from there. Sound like a plan?
Yes.
Perfect, yeah.
You know we're gonna work up an appetite today.
For sure, I'm ready for you.
What is cooking in
Well,
here?
you're gonna make it, we're making an onion bread.
Onion bread.
Yeah, you're gonna add everything.
Yeah, I can do this.
Okay,
Come
good.
on, I can do this. So you went to Italy last year. They're coming here this year. You gonna go back and visit again?
We'd like to. We
Yeah.
love it.
If you're gonna be traveling a lot, you gotta use a traveler's travel card, right?
Right.
Like the CIBC Aventura Visa card.
Okay.
That way you can have somebody help you with your bookings, accumulate points. My wife and I travel all the time. Italy's one of our favorite spots.
Oh, really?
Yes. Hey, babe. Come in, we're in the kitchen. This is my wife, Sabrina. You got the pictures that I sent you of the dining room.
I did.
And you brought some stuff. Okay, very
Excited.
good. Okay, so you've got some work to do in the kitchen. We've got some work to do in the dining room. I'm gonna bring Sabrina in to help me, and we'll regroup shortly.
Okay.
Perfect. Thank
Okay.
you.
Thank you. So we've already got the paint up, which I told you is gonna be
Okay.
blue, and we are going to reuse their furniture.
Okay.
The chairs are a disaster. This one's not too bad, but the cushions are all stained.
Well, I got some material. Most of the chairs, we can do this one.
Okay.
And then the two kind of captain end chairs, we can kind of make it a little different.
Okay, so I'll finish the painting. I'm gonna finish cleaning up the rest there.
Okay.
And if you could help get us some new stuff for the space.
Excellent.
We'll double team this room.
Okay.
And then your parents are gonna ask us to do theirs, probably.
You're probably right.
Okay, let's get to work. The biggest impact on this dining room is gonna be the color change. And so I chose Great Basin. It's a deep blue color. It's very bold, but because we're reusing a lot of the same furniture in here, I wanna be able to have a big impact. And I chose Para's low sheen eggshell so that it doesn't have a glossy look to it, but the quality is here, and it looks phenomenal.
Oh my
Oh, it's
god.
gonna feel so different when you open your eyes now.
What? Oh
Okay,
my
I'm
god.
like speechless. It
Okay,
does
go
not-
in.
Oh, this looks amazing.
Is this not very
Holy
different?
smokes. Oh, I'm gonna cry. Wow.
Okay, that was worth it.
How are you
So
feeling?
excited. Oh, I love it. I love it.
The blue is the theme. It's bold, it's
Wow.
different. You wanna make a statement with this room? That's what this color is going to do. So basically we're looking from the top down. We did the light fixture, we painted the walls, we did new drapes, we switched the furniture, eliminated the bar, moved it into the living room, put in the new rug, reupholstered the chairs. And the
Love
good
it.
news is it's still all your stuff.
Yeah,
It is.
It's all your stuff. We made over the dining room before the cannelloni was even ready.
Imagine. Actually, it's ready.
It is ready?
Yes, I hope you're hungry.
Salute. By hand?
Yes, you gotta knead the dough.
What? I can't put my hands in here. It's all goopy.